Let me begin to show you how to install your hair with glue, and it will last you for 1 week period, no cap. This is my glue. I'll begin to apply on my edges. When you apply your glue, madam, make sure say you spread am so that the thing go melt. It has to be clear in color before you install your hair with this glue. I will go back and apply again because this hair, I want to carry this hair for like 5 days. I'll carry my hand fan, I'll begin the blow. This is the wig we are going to be installing, and my hair is from Angie's hair. What do? I will begin to wear this hair. You can see that it's almost clear. And now you see it is very, very sticky. Now we'll begin to install. Don't forget, this place is always coming to this corner and the other side, of course, to the other corner. So what do? You want to drag this hair forward. Don't be afraid though. Make sure where you applied your glue, let the hair pass it a bit, okay? So, put down, press, just press her down, not fear, okay? Press her. Very, very easy. There is no big deal about wig installation. Then this side, press, turn down, press. Carry your ratchet comb, begin to use and press her. Installation don't come like this, you know, they hard. It's just determination. Press. Make sure you press her. You press her well so that the thing go install, it go hold. If you get adhesive spray or got to be, begin to spray for the edges. Just spray for extra hold. Right. Your hand have to work. Let your hand work, madam. Let her work. If you don't work, how the hair want to install? The thing don't install. Carry your wax stick. Just apply. Let's begin to remove the band. I will begin spray my got to be to freeze it. I'll take my concealer, put on for the center. This is my Lager concealer in the shade Light Ivory. My Metis spray, apply on the edges of the hair. Melt the lace. Guys, check out the final look. Period. You understand me? Check it out. Check it out. So this is the final look. This is how to install your hair by your own self in your own comfort zone. How many times will I say it? I want man the ringer every day. Man the ringer, okay? Period. I applied my concealer at the center so that it can, pump out the center part. It's an artificial hair. So we have to slay it to the fullest. See, the installation is well installed, okay? Period. I just wrap her up like this. I can't use pin the back. You understand me? I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. I'm going to be listing out the things I used to install this hair on my next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see ya on my next video. Bye bye.